Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You will begin by creating your GitHub account and picking a professional username because it's your identifier across projects. Once done, add a clear photo, short bio, and public email so collaborators can find you. Now initialize a special repo named username/username and draft a README that states who you are, your focus areas, and 2-3 starter projects. This README becomes your homepage. Make sure to include quick links and a one-line value statement to hook visitors immediately. You should now create and populate 3-5 showcase repositories that demonstrate real work. When coding, commit often with descriptive messages and use branches for features so reviewers see your workflow. Once projects exist, write README sections, setup, usage, examples, and a short demo GIF or screenshot to increase clarity. Pin the best repos to your profile and add topics and a license so your work is discoverable and usable. Make sure to include contributing MD to invite contributions and show project. You finish by polishing presentation and automation. Enable GitHub pages for portfolio site, add social links and a visible contributions graph to show activity. Integrate actions for CI to prove builds pass, and add badges for build status, coverage, and license so visitors trust your repos. Once done, update README and pin new work. If something breaks, check visibility settings, verify personal access token scopes, and review branch protection rules. That single check usually resolves permission or publishing failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.